Dear audience, this is me, Mariam Zulfar Wali. Welcome to all of you once again. I'm back with another TED Talk review, and this TED Talk was about our very dearest mentor by Sir Rehan Alawala. In this TED Talk video, he explained me the all of the students and me as well about why this TED Talk is included in this Rehan school curriculum and what is the purpose to include this TED Talk in the Rehan School curriculum? So let's start our review. So basically, TED means technology, education, and design. So it's a combination of three different words that is called as TED Talk. And this TED Talk is basically the person that is have some kind of his or her experiences, and he or she needs to share those experiences on the base of their life. They can't share their personal life. They can't share their. They can't promote their any kind of business or anything that they are pursuing in their life, so they can just share their ideas. They can like they are working on it, or they can just share their life journey and kind of a success. And the TED Talk duration should be not more than 18 minutes. It's prescribed by the US or the different progressed countries. So it's designed by them to have a talk with all the audience until 18 minutes. So this TED Talk included in this curriculum is by Sir Rehan Alawala. He designed it very like wisely, and he said to in that video which we watched in our class, that is about if we are including this TED Talk in this curriculum, it means the person who is going to connect him or herself with that TED Talk speaker. So the other person that is the speaker of the TED Talk, which is going to share all the experience or the relevant field experience that he or she experiencing right now, and now he is achieving some kind of goals, and he is standing at some level of the achievement. So he will share all those kind of hurdles, challenges, and how the person overcome them, and how the person learn a lot of things by its or her his or her own experiences. So it's really helpful for those who are just going to start that field as her career or his career. So it's really helpful for them that is going to start them, because by learning with others experience is quite easy, rather than to waste 3 or 4 years again, and you have a very own experience and then you can share with the other person. So basically, TED Talk is included in this curriculum because of this, so that the person that is going to listen, that relevant speaker will connect him or herself to that situation that he or she will have in the future, and there are some kind of the people they are experiencing in the present, so that the those kind of the speakers sites and the experiences will the person helps how they can overcome their hurdles, how they can relate themselves to that kind of scenario, and that will help them how to get it out of it. So this is the basic purpose of the TED Talk. And the second thing that is included, why it's so important in this curriculum, because in the first level, like level one course, uh, we just have to watch 300 TED Talks. Like we have to record 600 reviews, 300 in English and 300 in Urdu. And the basic purpose is that when you listen that TED Talk, you have to record up to that duration which you watch the TED Talk video. Like if you are watched that TED Talk is consist on 11 minutes, 10 minutes, or 8 minutes, you have to record your review on that duration, so that you can grasp each and everything and you will watch that TED Talk video so attentively. And that is the basic purpose. When you listen the speaker, when you observe the speaker, when you relate yourself with the speaker's scenarios, that will help you a lot, and you will learn a lot of things. Then you will record your review thoughtfully, and then you can explain those things in your own words. And like in other words, you can say that you can explain your school of thought that you built after the TED Talk video that you watch in your class. So this is the basic purpose. And by watching this TED Talk video, you can explore that speaker's life journey, and then you will connect yourself with that speaker by mentioning him or her in your description in your TED Talk review video. And eventually you will get a very good connection with that person, and that person will not for sure will appreciate you, but later on sometime he or she can just watch you, and you mention it, she can appreciate you, and then you have a very good connection with that person. Then you can interview that person, then you can invite him her in your studio, and you have a very good connection with them. You can have share your own ideas at the school of thoughts that you have on that specific time, and you can express yourself to that speaker. And you have a lot of questions regarding that TED Talk you watched, but you can't ask to them at that time. So you can later on ask those questions to that in specific purpose that you are conducting his or her interview. So that's a good basic purpose, and that's a very good thing that we learn after we watch the TED Talk video. So let's talk about what I learned from this video that I watched as a TED Talk by Sarihana Lawala. So this in this video, the speaker, as I mentioned again and again, his name is Sarihana Lawala, and I learned the two things. When we have a person that is going to be on the same level of their life and same goal he or she set, so it's really helpful for them to learn the other person's experience, and then you can relate yourself to his or her life journey. And that's it's really helpful to you can foresee the hurdles or the challenges that you will also experience, or maybe you will not experience the same kind of the challenges, but you will experience little bit the different challenges. But they are, you can have a like one angle, and then you can think about it in the different perspective and the different angle of the thing you can watch. So this is the thing that is really helpful if we watch the TED Talk video. And the second thing, when we select our Wala and Wali and something like that is a mission of ours, and that we selected by ourselves, that I have to work on this problem of the Pakistan, and I have to work with my people and for my people to be the part of this organization. So this is really helpful for that in that scenario also, because if I selected as myself as a training wali, so when I completed this level one, like in 1 year or 1.5 year or the 9 years is up to me. But before that time, I have to watch all the journal TED Talk videos that related to different like on ethics, on moral values, on different topics. So by watching this TED Talk video, that are really different kind of the things that I will be eventually better in me and better in a lot of students that is connected to the Han Foundation. But later on in the level two or the next level, when we are having our Wala and Wali, so we will just watch that specific TED Talk video that is related to my Wala and Wali. Like I selected the training Wali, so I'll watch all the TED Talk video related to training. The person that is the trainer in any field of life, the person that is trainer in education, the person that is educationist. So I'll watch those TED Talk videos that will help me in pursuing my career as a training wali. And sometimes I can watch the other TikTok videos like on ethics, on moral values, on commitment, communications also, because these all are the combination is really important for me as well and the other participants also. Because when we have being a training wali or being a trainer, I have a very good communication, I have a very good ethics values, I have to work on my moral values as well, I have to improve myself as a good listener also, I have to develop my empathetic behavior also. So these are all the characteristics I have to develop in myself gradually by watching these set of videos, and I have to implement them one by one in my life, and I'll eventually see that there's a lot of change in my life, and if I'll try to get this change transfer to the other people, so that it will be chain effect that Sir Rihan Lawala wants to create in each and every Pakistani, so that we can create impact on other person's life. So this is the basic purpose that I learned from this TED Talk video. I'll be right back with another review video. Till then, take good care of yourself and stay motivated. Allah Hafiz. I'll see you next.